Hello! If you like to DIY on a budget, today's a great day for you. I made these two end tables for $3.50. Yes, $3.50. So if you want to see how I made them, stick around. Let's go. So in today's video, I got these candlestick holders for $3.50 a pair. So two for $3.50. I couldn't turn that up, and I love them. I'm participating in a Farmhouse DIY Thrift Store Flip today. This challenge, I'm gonna take these candlestick holders, I'm gonna wipe them down with crud cutter and paint them up. I'd like to give a big shout out to Schwoen's Nest for hosting this. She has a great channel. She's very community oriented, and she's just a loving, sharing person. And check out her community tab. Wow, she has a list of all the challenges and collabs for the month, and she just shares a wealth of knowledge there, and it's very helpful. And then the co-host is Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones is special to my heart. She's one of my besties. She goes live every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check her out. Annie is so creative. She's an actress, she's a mom, she works full time, she devotes a big chunk of her time to her YouTube channel and shares with you every night at 9 p.m. And it's a great community there. We all love each other and we all support, and there's a lot of friendship there. So come on and check her out, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So unfortunately, today I lost a lot of footage. I had recorded all this and I lost it. Not very techy all the time. And today there's a power outage in Huron for the morning. So I can't even, I'll just have to tell you how I did it, and I apologize, I can't demonstrate. For the top, I took a torch and I burned it. You've seen me use the torch before, and I torched it. I'll give you some options if you don't have a jigsaw or wood. You could use, I got this at the thrift store, and it's a piece of wood with, this side has a large elephant, and this side has elephant, rhinoceros, and trees. And this is a metal wood stand, or a metal candlestick that I got for $3.99, and you could just go like that and decorate it and call it done. Or you could glue it on with E6000. You could use a wood slice or a cookie, and you could use that. Here's another wood slice or a cookie, and you could use that. This one I cut. It's a piece of cedar, and I cut it with my jigsaw. Power's out today till 1 o'clock, so I can't demonstrate, but I cut it out with a jigsaw. I grinded it with a grinder. I sanded it with a palm sander. And then this one is wood. It's a wood candlestick and a wood base. So I took my impact driver and I put a bunch of screws in it to hold it in place. I painted the candlestick. So I made my own chalk paint, This one I mixed with a blue that I got from Giant Tiger for 17 bucks for a big can of it. And I mix it with plaster of Paris. If you want the recipe, you can check out this video. And if it's not in that video, check out this one. And then for the top of this, I used my barn board stain that I like to make. It's an oxidized mix, and you'll see that in this video. And then I sealed it with a Minwax. It's a polyacrylic Minwax, and it's nice and clear. It doesn't yellow it or change the wood color. And I like my stuff a little bit shiny, so I kind of go with the shiny one. I usually use a gloss. Some people like it flat, but I like it glossy. Okay, love you, bye. Good day. I said good day. There's no more. That's it. That's all you get. I know, right? I didn't even demonstrate. Sorry. Love you, bye.